The science behind running, how to run longer and faster. Behind running, there are many scientific variables that influence an individual's ability to run longer and faster. Let's explore the different aspects of running that influence performance, with the aim of better understanding the science behind running and improving one's performance. These tips are put into practice daily by professional runners and athletes to improve their performance during sporting activity. Running at high altitude. According to researchers, training at high altitude results in a marked increase in running performance at lower altitudes. Training at high altitude before a marathon allows for increased endurance before the race. Cooling the body. Cooling the body improves the runner's endurance, according to experts. Cooling the body is effective both before and during training. Indications are to drink ice water, stay in an air-conditioned environment, and use a cooling towel. These are cheap alternatives to the ice jackets used by elite athletes. Resistance training. Introducing resistance training, researchers recommend introducing moderate to heavy resistance training no more than twice a week, performing exercises such as prowler thrusts. Plyometry. To improve sprint times, researchers recommend performing at least 15 weekly sessions of 80 high-intensity jumps, without weight, for 10 weeks. Stretching. According to the researchers, regular stretching could increase strength, jump height, and speed. Similarly, the researchers say there is no evidence that stretching can improve endurance. The advice is to make sure that stretching includes an aerobic component, dynamic stretches, and glute activation. Muscle recovery. Experts recommend including rest days to allow muscle recovery. During rest days, it is recommended to apply an ice pack to sore legs, take ice baths, and rest, sleep. Managing longer distances well. To avoid injuries, experts suggest not training more than 2 days consecutively over very long distances. Listening to the body's signals is crucial for training to be effective in the long term and to avoid injuries and subsequent training interruptions. Mentality. Running is both a mental and physical exercise. For this reason, researchers suggest that having a goal-oriented mindset is an important factor in running performance.